I think almost everyone knows what the Holocaust was. The story of Jews and Nazis. Second World War के time पे क्या हुआ था. But very few know why historians they are still arguing about it. Because the biggest debates they aren't about what happened. These debates they are about what we choose to remember. What if I told you that the story of Holocaust doesn't begin with Hitler? What if understanding the Holocaust also helps you to understand colonialism, India's partition, public memory, and even the way history is written? These aren't just some random theories. These are some of the biggest debates in the modern historical scholarship, जिनके बारे में आज भी बात होती है. And to explore these questions, we are joined by Professor Vinay Lal. He's a professor of history at UCLA, author of 20 plus books, and one of the most respected voices on colonialism, public memory, genocide, and world history. Professor Vinay Lal, he doesn't teach history. He teaches you how history is written. He teaches history not by giving you some facts, but by helping you question the facts that you already know. Because you all must be thinking that history is all about facts, but it's not true. If you're preparing for history optional, this conversation is even more valuable. This year's history optional rankers also they spoke about how world history it is not just about memorizing the events. It's about understanding the context, understanding the debates which are happening and the historical perspectives of it. And that's exactly what the session is designed to offer. चाहे आप यूपीएससी के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, आप हिस्ट्री ऑप्शनल के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं साथ में, और यू आर सिंपली क्यूरियस अबाउट द हिस्ट्री बियॉन्ड टेक्स्ट बुक्स, because it is also a very relevant thing at present. So this is a conversation that you shouldn't miss. Join us for the next episode of Aakhya Diaries with Professor Vinay Lal. This is happening on 24th of July at 10:30 a.m. in the morning and live on Zoom. So this will be in online mode only. You have to register for the session. The link for the session is given in the description. So see you on 24th of July to know more about that event. It's going to be very interesting.